the adventures of CFF Man.
With my new slow-mo ray, it'll take forever for you to get financing, giving me more time to do more important banker stuff. Now hurry up and wait.
At this rate, I'll never get financing for my new backhoe. I need financing now!
CFF man!
Alright, evil banker, you've gone too far this time with your high rates and slow financing. Now I think it's time for you to chill out.
Well, that's embarrassing.
Thanks, CFF man, but what am I gonna do about financing a commercial vehicle? Call my friends at Commercial Fleet Financing. They'll get you the financing you need fast. Thanks, CFF man.
I don't understand why I'm going to jail.
Because slow financing and high rates should be criminal.
Well, I hope you're ready for my plan B.
All in a good date. Wait, what? Super Bank Bot.